Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Tabelito office laptop bag. This is a laptop bag for a 15.6 inch or lower laptop. This can only carry a 15.6 inch laptop or lower. It's in a plastic bag. There's not much to unbox or unpack really. I'm going to show you what all this particular bag has or what all it comes with. So there you go. This is what it looks like. I'll give you a closer look. So this is what it looks like. There's a nice cloth surface, also looks waterproof. There are a lot of zips over here. I will take you through each of them. There is one zip right at the front. So there you go, there is one zip right at the front. This has a lot of pockets over here as well. I don't know if you can see this, but it has quite a number of pockets over here. Let's take a look at the larger zip. This is where the laptop will go in. So there you go, this is where the laptop will go in. It comes with this extra strap over here as well. This is the laptop sleeve, and there's some extra pockets over here for where you want to hold some more stuff. This is basically the carrying strap. I'll show all of this. So let's just put a laptop over here and show you what it's supposed to look like. I have a laptop with me. This is actually smaller than a 15.6 inch laptop. I'm going to put this in like so. There you go. I put the velcro tie back on. So notice that there's some space over here, so obviously I can use this space to put my charger in. Let me just do that. I have my charger right over here, so I'm going to put this right over here. There's a lot of space, and the power cable also can go right next to it. There's still a lot of space. There are these pockets over here, so you can use these pockets to maybe put a notebook or two notebooks if you feel like it. And you can also put say over here you can put your headphone if you feel like it, because there's a lot of space as I mentioned. Now I'm going to close this and show you the front pouch. This pouch also has a couple of pockets right over here. Usually, so you can use this to actually, let me take out this particular notebook. So I'm using this notebook, but instead of a notebook, this can hold maybe ID cards like a passport or a driving license even. And then there are a lot of other pockets that you can use for stationaries and other stuff. So there's a pocket right over here. I'm going to use this for stationery. And I feel like putting my, sorry, you know what, I feel like putting my wallet over here as well. So I'm going to do that right over here. There you go, you can see it. So there you go. Now this bag is fully packed. Let's take a look at this strap. So this is a strap that comes with this pad right over here. I'm going to connect this pad. I'm connect this strap like this. This is 1 and this is 2. One second. There you go. So we are now good to go. This is the laptop bag. It has laptops and a lot of other peripherals with it as well. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Tabelito office laptop bag. Thank you for watching.